Hi guys, this is Radhika and welcome back to my channel after a long time. So, it's been 6 months that I am no longer lazy and that I finally gathered the motivation to make a YouTube video again. And here I am, so please support me. No more drama. So today's video is basically, as you can see from the title, types of shoppers, and I'm sure that because of the lockdown you all have not got to go out like physical shopping and you all miss it. I mean, how much justice can online shopping do to the term shopping? It's not shopping, it's just getting a commodity, getting commodities, whatever, getting garments.
Shut up! Shut up!
Never mind. So I have basically clubbed all the types of shoppers that you may have seen in shopping malls and shopping stores, so you all can give it a laugh while sitting at home and missing all the shopping memories. One disclaimer, I have recorded the entire video on green screen and you all will obviously know that after looking at my weak editing skills. But yeah, I didn't step out of my house and because lockdown is still going on, so stay home and stay safe. Let's go!
3 hours later.
अच्छा भैया, ये वाला टी टॉप कितने का दिया? क्या बात कर रहे हो? 700? हाँ, मैं क्या आपको विदेशी लगती हूँ? किधर से आई हूँ? सीधा सीधा आप पहले काम करो, क्योंकि मैं ना इधर की ही रहने वाली हूँ, मैं मुंबई की ही रहने वाली हूँ, तो मैं इतना तो देने वाली नहीं हूँ। 700 का ये टॉप है ही नहीं, मेरे को बाजू की दुकान में जाके मिल जाएगा। नहीं 500 भी नहीं, और कम करो। 200 से 1 रुपया ज्यादा नहीं देने वाली मैं। हाँ, इसका दाम 200 ही है भैया, क्या बात कर रहे हो आप? मैं हर टाइम आती हूँ इधर, आपके पास ही आती हूँ, क्यों आती हूँ? हाँ 200 का लगा रहे हो तो बोलो 3 लेके जाती हूँ। 200 के 3, हाँ डन कर दो, चलो, थैंक यू। अभी आया ना मजा, बहुत कुछ ले लिया यार। ओ H&M, thank God. Yeah, I know, right? Okay, listen, I'll call you back. I'm just I'm out for shopping now. Oh no, I don't go elsewhere. Like I usually go to Zara or H&M because quality, yeah, like that's the only brand I trust, and I can't compromise on quality. They're durable and all, so I don't really go elsewhere. These are like my top 2. Or like I might go to Palladium and search something in Paramoda, but that's it. Yeah. I'll talk to you later. I'll go and shop some stuff now. Bye. Oh, I love shopping, so let me check out everything that's new, and of course I'll buy it if I like it. This looks good. Should I even try it? What's the harm in trying? 1, 2, 3, 4. Trial room. Oh, I love this. Some selfies. A mirror picture. Next one. I'm going. Hi, you can't believe how much I shopped. I'm gonna show you everything. It was so good. यार टोटल टाइम वेस्ट। कितना घंटा गई थी? तो 2 घंटा श्योर। इधर मैंने भी शॉप किए थे। You shopped, dude. You didn't even come with me. Yeah, of course I didn't come with you because I'm not stupid like you, but I got stuff right here sitting in my own house and they're cheaper also. Have you checked these sites out, like Myntra and all? You tell me, how many clothes did you buy? In what budget? Because I got like 2 tops, a shorts and a dress for like 2K. Dude, I could have literally got you 2 more tops in that money over there. Because literally with all the discounts and all available online now, I don't even get how you all actually go for shopping. Like, it's so not worth it. Dude, do you even get what a shopping experience is? Actually going around, walking around the store, going to the trial room, trying stuff out. Oh god, it's so boring. Stop with your online shit for once. Actually, dude, I need some comfy baggy clothes and certain formal shirts and all for my internship. So let's go to the men's section now. I don't like anything as such over here. Yeah, let's go. Dude, look, I love this. Olive green, formals. And like I can wear it as a shirt also, you know, solid colors always good. I genuinely like all the stuff in this section way more than the girls section. Like ऐसे कपड़े लड़कियों के लिए क्यों नहीं बनते हैं यार? Oh wait, Tuff actually does the same thing. Let me check their site out. So basically, Tuff, which is the untraditional female, is a brand that makes clothes of classic comfort for untraditional females like the one you just saw, who do not conform to the usual fancy way of how females are showcased. They believe that being untraditional means those who can break the rules and defy the norms of the society. The initials itself read as Tuff, which is dedicated to all the tough women out there who extended their fashion towards comfortable clothing and believed that there was nothing wrong in doing the same, even though the society judged them at times. So Tuff is India's first ever apparel brand making menswear inspired clothing for women like these, because why should women have to go to the menswear to seek comfort? You tell me. So one of their first ever collections include a collar tee which you can style as per your choice and adjust the buttons as and when you like. The material is super soft and it gives you kind of a semi-formal look for, you know, college presentations, etc. The other set of collection includes these amazing shirts which are my personal favorite, because the shirts that I find in the women's section are made of material that is somewhat itchy. And as Tuff's tagline suggests, these are super comfortable and available in vibrant colors which you can style with your jeans, skirt, etc. as you like. So yeah, Tuff is a recently launched brand trying to make the world a better and easier place for women. And if you have ever approached the men's section, say no more, because Tuff is here. And they also make certain informal clothes like the one I'm just wearing. This is their Humanity. So do not forget to check them out and I'll link them in the description below. And yeah, that brings us towards the end of this video. So tell me which type of shopper you think you are, and also tag your friends in the comment section below so I can see. And yeah, you know the drill. Like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. I will see you all soon, and that's a promise. Bye.